Hello, my name is cjshowalter, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a do-it-yourself Truvium table. Okay, so this is actually really simple and it's very versatile. So this is one use that I have made, and this is a large map of Africa for cycle 1. And this is, as you can see, is just 2 page protectors that I've sewn together using a zigzag stitch. So it's very versatile. So this is, you can just slip the map in the page protector and it folds for storage. And this, the other side is the world map. So I can have a double-sided map that's extra big for my 4 foundation students this year. The only thing is it kind of slips around, like, so the lines won't match up. So I'm planning on putting a piece of tape in here, so just to hold the paper still so that the lines kind of match up. That's the only drawback with doing a map with this format, is you get this gap. But it's really neat for other uses like this. This is if you make a double protector, if you will, and then put it in some sort of binder, you can have a 3-page spread. So this is all interchangeable. You can put anything you want in here. So if this was your students' essentials binder, you'd be able to have it set up just like I have here, with the question confirmation, the analytical task sheet, and then a full page here for diagramming. And it's just 2 page protectors sewn together. And if you wanted to do it in a binder like this, you have to keep these 3 holes. On the map that I just showed you, I cut those holes off because I'm storing it in my foundations stuff. But this is for essentials, so I'm keeping the 3 holes on, and that way you can have a 3-page spread. Now you can also turn it over and have another 3-page spread on the back because it's in a binder. So it's really just 2 page protectors sewed together, and it's so easy. I'll just show you how to do it right now. You need 2 page protectors that are the same. I like these thicker ones because they last longer and they take a lot of abuse with dry erase markers and stuff. So you want to keep one as is, and the other one you want to cut off where the 3-hole bunch is. So I think I'll just go ahead and cut off the seam on this side of the line to keep it closed while I'm sewing it. Okay, just make it a really, really tight cut and make sure it's straight. And this is just a standard paper cutter. I use this all the time. And now we're going to take this and go to the sewing machine, okay? Okay, we are at the sewing machine, and now we are going to select a zigzag stitch with the maximum width and a stitch length of about 3. And always back stitch when you are starting. So I'm going to keep it on straight stitch just so I can back stitch the first 3 stitches, okay? Alright, so the important thing to remember with your page protector is that you sew it so that both page protectors are open at the top. Okay, so let's get started sewing. We're going to abut our page protector. That means they're going to be next to each other, not overlapping. Very important that they do not overlap. So back stitch, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, then zigzag. And make sure you go all the way down, following the seam, lining up with your middle of your presser foot here. And now we're at the end, so we're going to back stitch again. 3 back up and 3 down. And then cut. And that's it. So now we have our finished 2-page spread. Open at the same top, both open at the top, zigzag down the middle, and foldable, and able to be put in a 3-hole punch, or 3-hole binder I should say, and you can fold it in both directions easily, like so. So I Hope this video was helpful for you in making your own Truvium tables at home.